Hello everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Verilyn, and today I'm going to be doing a general reading for my Taurus friends for December 2019. Now this video is a little different for some of you guys who have been watching me for a while. I am not one to show my face on this channel, so don't mind me maybe being a little distracted here because I usually just put the camera right on the cards, but I'm trying something new. If you guys would like to subscribe for your yearly reading, I have your 2019 videos coming up, a more in-depth one, as well as I do have a short one already posted where you can find out your spirit animal too for the year. Alright guys, so let's just dive right into it. On December 2nd, we have Venus is entering Scorpio, Venus, your ruler, okay? And on the 6th, we have Mercury is turning direct in Scorpio. There's a lot of Scorpio stuff going on for the month. On the 7th, we have a new moon in Sagittarius, okay? And on the 12th, Mercury is entering Sagittarius as well, okay? So some of you guys who have a Sagittarius partner or friend, they might have a little bit of a different energy to them this month. On the 23rd, we have a full moon in Cancer, okay? And as we all know, some of you may know, Cancer's ruler is the moon. So if you have any Cancer friends too, they might have a little bit of a different energy to them during this time. Alright guys, so let's just jump right into it. Like I said, this is different for me. Usually I have the camera just right on the table so you can see what's going on, but decided to try something new. Hope you guys like it. Alright, let's dive into it. So, for my Taurus friends, for December 2019, when I say general reading, this can cover love, career, your soul story, what's going on for December. Ooh. Some of you guys would like to book a private reading with me, you can go ahead and email me. I do FaceTime, over the phone, email, pre-recorded, just let me know. Alright, so far we have the Four of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and I'm going to ask for one more. One more for you guys for December 2018. Okay, so with the Four of Swords, as we know, this does have a putting something to peace energy. There might be a toxic ex that you are currently leaving, a dead-end job, or something just with inside yourself that you really need to lay to rest. You need to be thankful for what you do have. Simple things, okay? This could also be getting over a sickness, okay? It could be just a virus going around that really had you down, or it could be even something bigger, perhaps you know, fighting cancer or healing from a broken bone. Maybe you have a loved one that is also going through some type of health issues, and you guys do need to be thankful for the time that you have now. All right, and we also have the Eight of Pentacles. So there's a little bit of work for my Taurus friends, and I know you guys get this card a lot, so I feel there is a career change for some of you guys. Like I said, a lot of you might be in a place of work where you are not valued. They don't see you as an asset, or there's no room to grow. This could also be going back to school, doing some training, okay? Putting in hard work. As you can see this card, he is well at work there. And Pentacles do represent a financial status, okay? So grow, my Taurus friends. And we have the Eight of Cups, all right? I do feel like this ties in with the Four of Swords here and also the Eight of Pentacles. There is something that you're leaving behind, or you have to leave behind. Don't focus on what's in front of you, okay? There are more things bigger and brighter for you out there. You just have to leave that stale place that you are in right now. It could be, like I said, it could be emotionally, it could be financially, but there is definitely something you need to walk away from, my Taurus friends, okay? You know, with the grass is greener on the other side, this holds true for whatever your situation is, okay? So don't let don't let your current career choice, or perhaps even, because cups do represent emotions, okay? So this could be somebody, you know, a lover or an ex that just you're so strung up on it that you're not seeing what's in the distance. You're not seeing what is waiting for you because you're stuck on the past or what is going on currently, okay? You need to work towards the future. That's very apparent with having the Eight of Pentacles too in your reading. All right, so there is definitely some emotions that you need to lay to rest, okay? Work hard, all right? Whether it's studying, okay? It could be even spiritual studies. I know some of you guys are card readers yourselves, okay? Dive into it, okay? Rebuild yourself. Make yourself a better version and leave what you have right now that is holding you back. All right. And you also you are ending with the Queen of Swords. Now that's a good card to end with, okay? You're coming into your own. You are putting your foot down with whatever it is that has been an issue in your life, okay? Now, the Queen of Swords, she does have a beauty to her. She has a strict way, but also a very feminine way of ruling, okay? So you need to take that energy in for yourself and embrace it, okay? So when you think of yourselves, you are the Queen of Swords, okay? And if you are not quite there, you'll get there with a little bit of work. Okay, Taurus? All right. So, there is a lot that you are coming from, but there is so much more ahead of you. Okay? So don't let negative energy consume you. Some of you guys might be deep in a depression. Okay? Meditate. Take care of yourself. Start working out. Start eating healthy. Okay? There definitely is something, bad habits in your life that you have power over, that you can control yourself, okay? Take care of it, okay? All right, so we are going to end this reading with a message from the angels, okay? Is there some guidance, some inspiration that my Taurus friends may need for December 2018? What can they possibly use to motivate them, to inspire them, perhaps a direction that they need for December 2018, my Taurus friends? My earth element, your ruler is Venus. You guys are of the second house. And you have the Queen of Water. Tender-hearted, apathetic, patient, loving. Relationships develop to a new level. Trust your intuition. Care for yourself and others. I feel a lot of you guys right now, what is going on in your life is definitely more emotional. Okay, this could be healing from a divorce. This could be you just recently had somebody that you love that was dear to you that passed. I just got chills saying that, so I feel like that will resonate with some of you guys. You need to move on, okay? Some of you guys might have heard me saying this before, but there's a lot in life that is worth thinking about, but there's nothing in life worth worrying about. And that worry will hold you back, okay? The coulda, shoulda, woulda, you know, shoulda said this, leave it behind, okay? You need to work on yourself emotionally, spiritually, and also financially to move on, okay? You need to remember to lay to rest what it is that's holding you from growing, okay? That pretty much sums it up for your reading for December 2018. Like I said, if you guys would like to subscribe to keep updated on when I am posting, I will be doing a more in-depth reading for 2019. If you guys would like to contact me for a private reading, go ahead and email me, all right? Or maybe just comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful December.